everybody, it's Coaster Boy here. Welcome back to another vlog. Today, it's actually, wow, this is really incredible. If you guys live in Columbus right by now, if you live in Columbus, Ohio, you probably would be seeing this. Oh, I think it's, I got it on my phone. Look at that crap. Even though it's spreading, jeez, it feels like it's 100. Dang. Well, at least we got some rain anyway in Columbus. Whew, dang. So, it probably the end of the school year. Next week is basically Awesome Sauce 500,000. If you're watching this, you'll probably know that next week is our last week of school, and that's pretty cool. That's cool. And that's cool. So I'm gonna watch a bit of TV a little. So I'm just basically watching a little bit of SpongeBob. And you probably know, if you watch Nickelodeon, you guys, the new thing called Lost in the West is coming in 3 hours. So 3 hours, which is basically today, this Saturday, which is basically today. Not next Saturday, but this Saturday, today. If you know what I mean. Looking happy today, huh, Freddy? Oh my gosh. Luke, I am your father. Oh my gosh. I love Star Wars. Don't judge me or anything, but I'm basically still in my pajamas. But sooner or later I'm gonna get ready. Just because today it's actually basically because now you're a wiener. Look at those guys running. Jesus, oh my God, it's spraying on my camera or my phone, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna blow off my